Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to redeem OnePay Rewards. Start by opening the OnePay app on your mobile device. Once you're on the Home tab or Wallet screen, look for the points icon in the top right corner and tap on it. This will take you to your rewards section, where you can see the total number of points you have earned. Next, tap on your points balance to view its cash value. For example, 5,000 points typically equal about $50. This screen will show exactly how much you have available to redeem. When you're ready, tap the Redeem button. Enter the amount you would like to redeem, making sure it is within your available balance. After reviewing the amount, tap Redeem to continue. You will then be asked to choose where you want the redeemed funds sent. Select your OnePay debit card as the transfer destination. The app will process the redemption and add the cash value of your points to your available balance. Once the transfer is complete, you can use the funds anywhere your OnePay debit card is accepted. Thanks for watching.